Hey, quick question. You work in IT, right? Servers, networks, cloud applications. You handle all of that. But tell me honestly, if your company got hacked tonight, would you know what to do? Most IT professionals don't. And that's not their fault. Nobody taught them. But the gap between knowing IT and knowing security is costing company millions every year. Today, we are fixing that. Cyber attacks are not slowing down. They are getting worse. Are you aware about WannaCry, the Colonial Pipeline shutdown, the MGM casino attack? These are huge companies with full IT teams and they still got hit badly. Why? Not because hackers are geniuses, but because someone clicked a bad link. A password was weak, a system was not updated, a setting was wrong. Simple things that could have been avoided. The people who could have stopped it just not have the right knowledge. That's the real problem. So, I'm really excited to share this with you today. PrimeGrowth Academy has officially launched its 1-month cybersecurity training program. And it is built specifically for IT professionals just like you. Not students, not complete beginners. People already working in IT who are ready to take cybersecurity seriously and move their career forward. 4 sessions, 1 hour each, practical hands-on and straight to the point. No boring theory, no wasted time, just real skills you can use from day one. Session 1, you will learn how hackers actually work, how they get in, how they move through a system, and what they are actually trying to see. You will see the full picture of a real attack. Session 2, we cover identity and endpoint security, passwords, multi-factor authentication, admin account protection, and tools like Microsoft Defender and CrowdStrike that companies use to catch threats. Session 3, cloud security and small security, because your email is still the number one way attackers get it. And the cloud is not automatically safe. We will show you exactly what to watch out for. Session 4, what do you do when something actually goes wrong? We cover incident response, ransomware defense, and how to build a team that is ready before the attack happens. Now, let me tell you about people teaching you, because this matters a lot. Our faculty has over 25 years of real industry experience. Those are not people who read about cybersecurity in a book. These are people who have spent decades inside the industry, solving real problems, facing real threats, working inside real organizations. When they teach you, you can feel the difference because they have lived it. And here is something I know a lot of you are thinking. I already have a job, I don't have time. Yes, we heard you. Classes happen every weekend. That's it. You don't have to quit anything. You don't have to quit your job. Your whole life, your job stays, your income stays, and your skills keep growing. Whether you're a student working a 9 to 5 or doing both, you can fit this in. And if life happens and you miss a session, don't worry. You get full access to all lecture recordings for 1 full year. Watch them at midnight, rewatch them on a Sunday morning. Go through them as many times as you need. They are yours. And here's the part I'm really proud of. When you finish the course, we don't just hand you a certificate and wave goodbye. We sit with you and go through your CV together. Because finishing a course and actually getting hired, those are the two very different things. We want to make sure you are ready for both your skills and your profile. So let me put it simply. Expert teachers, weekend classes, 1 year of recordings, CV support, and a course that was built for the exact stage you are in right now. Enrollment is open right now. Click the link in the description and grab your spot right now. Seats are limited, so don't leave it for too long. And if you know someone in IT who needs this, share this video to them. It might be the most useful thing you do for them this year. This is PrimeGrowth Academy. We launched this course just for you. Now it's your turn to take that step. Click now.